Hello everyone, today we're going to show you how to change all your lights on your 2018 Ford F-150. To make it easier, each installation is timestamped in the description so you can skip straight to the light you want to change. Okay, so let's start. We're gonna start by getting access to the lights and make sure that your tires are turned deep left so that you can get in here. You're gonna need some gloves and you're gonna need a wrench. On my Ford, it's a 5.5 millimeter to remove our plastic cover right here that will give us access to our lights. Now you have to know that if you're doing low beams and you gain access to your lights, it's not the bottom one for your low beams, it's the top one. Easy to pop out. We got our plastic covers. Boom. You're gonna wanna reach in and twist to the left and look at that. Pops right out, guys. Then just take it off. Boom. You press down here and it snaps right out. This is our old standard light that goes into the Ford F-150. And now we're gonna replace it with our AUXITO light. And here are the socket size. This is the difference right there. But look at that design. Major difference. Original, our new design. Let's change it. Real simple. Just reverse, grab the cables, and they should snap right back in. I always put the cables in first. Once you get in there, you twist in to the left, locked in. You put your rubber cover back up, and guys, you're ready to hit the road. Make sure you lower all this cover right here, the lower one. It's got a rubber cover. You just grab this, snap, boom. There you go. It's done. Then you twist to the left and it comes right out. Right here, you'll find that there's a little lower lever and you snap it right out from its cable. Bang, you see that? Now we're gonna replace them with AUXITO light. Look at that, beautiful design. Look at the Beauty and the Beast right here next to each other. This one dances better, our Beauty. Let's go. Real easy access. Once you have this lowered, here's our cable, snaps right in. Look at that, easy. Put our light kind of like a horizontal way first, where it fits, screws to the right. Bam, look at that. Then we put our rubber covers back in. And before you hit the road, guys, don't forget to screw back in your lids and your covers. It gets bumpy out there. Need to remove this cover, which I already kind of pre-removed it. We'll be able to reach in and change our lights. But before I even get started there, guys, I'm gonna need some gloves. And pull out your light bulb. You're gonna want to press with a little bit of pressure right here, and you should hear a snap, and boom, you're out. When you remove your bulb, you do this, make sure it's the actual bulb, and you pull it. And there you go, look at that. This is what it looks like when they're not connected yet. Beautiful design. We got our amber white 7443 that we're gonna switch to AUXITO. And I went ahead and just removed the thing, had to do it outside of the car. Snaps right in, make sure it's nice and tight. All right, now we're ready to put in this part, connect it right in. Wait for the snap. There, it looks nice and tight. And then we go ahead and just adjust it right in. Twist to the right, there it is. She's nice and tight, ready to go. Make sure you tighten back your panels, screw everything back up, and ready to hit the rope. Let's get started. Our first step is going to be opening up right here, these two. Make sure you have an 8 millimeter wrench, and it's lefty loosey, righty tighty. We're going left. I find it easy when you loosen up both at the same time. All right, once you get them loose enough, here's one and here's the other one. Once you're done removing the screws here, it's an easy snap out. But you know, you might want to use a Phillips just to kind of give it a little push, and then it snaps right out. There you go. You need to wear clean gloves before you get started. And our light is located on the upper part of this casing, our brake light, that is. Switch it out, and it's easy to just pull out. There you go. This is the AUXITO white. Make sure that when you put it in, it's on the wide side, and the wide side fits. Easily slide this in. Beautiful. And when you're putting this part, make sure it sinks right in, just like the Titanic, and twist to the right. And then you're ready to go. Pop this in and keep on trucking. Opening up right here, these two. Make sure you have an 8 millimeter wrench. I find it easy when you loosen up both at the same time. Once you're done removing the screws here, it's an easy snap out. But you know, you might want to use a Phillips just to kind of give it a little push, and then it snaps right out. There you go. Once you get the case out, make sure you have some nice clean gloves. You don't want to burn your bulb. But your reverse light is located at the bottom part of the case. Then you just want to twist to the left. Boom, she comes right out. Pull out easily. Okay, now let's get our new light, AUXITO. Plug her in, same way you pulled it out. Now you push it back in, should snap right in. Make sure it matches. Boom, it clicks right in. Then puzzle it, let it sink in the knob right here, and then twist to the right. She's locked in, ready to go. Snap the case back in. Make sure that the little 3 points are all matching at the same time. And don't forget to put these back along with the lower one. Real tight, real fast, and you're done. Our first step is going to be opening up right here, these two, loosening them up. Make sure you have an 8mm wrench, and it's lefty loosey, righty tighty. We're going left. Here's one, and here's the other one. Once you're done removing the screws here, it's an easy snap out. But, you know, you might want to use a Phillips just to kind of give it a little push, and then it snaps right out. You need to wear clean gloves before you get started. Once you pop the case out, right here in the center is where you'll find your signal light. Twist to the left and it pops right out. See that? Once you grab it, pulls right out. Easy fix. Old school, needs to retire, gotta go, move on. Then we go right here, wide versus wide, and it clicks right in with a simple slide in, and you're done. Go ahead and match the pattern with the puzzle. She should sink right in. Twist to the left this time. You are done. Pop this in, and don't forget to put these back along with the lower one. Real tight, real fast, and you're done. First, I already unscrewed 2 of them because these do take a minute to get them out. Just be patient because this feels like it takes forever to get them out because they're long screws. Believe me, you'll be done in no time. Here's the second one. Once you're done unscrewing, easily remove the panel. Remember, there's the whole entire part, this outer rim, easily pops up. Now, you might want to just kind of like lean it like this so that you can get to the third brake light. Let's twist to the right. It should easily pop off. And there, you will find your old halogen light. These pop right out once you pull easily. I have a nice belly to hold this up. We're going to do our upgrade with our LED light AUXITO. Look at this egghead shape compared to this Star Wars lightsaber looking. Now, make sure that the white part enters the white. That's right. Add a little pressure, it should pop right in. Go ahead and match this, and now you twist to the left. Now that you're done replacing your third brake light, you can do the same for the cargo lights. They're all the same lights, so it's all in the same package. They're not specific. Once you're done with that, go ahead, put this right back in here, snap it in, and you're ready to screw. Righty tighty, lefty loose. First thing you're gonna have to do, lay back under the car. Once you're in here, it's really easy. There's a little access to the panel here, and you just pop it right out, and she comes right out, guys. Bam! Now you can get up there and do the switch. Once you're on this side, make sure you have some nice clean gloves. You don't want to burn your light bulbs. Remember, it's real easy. Did you hear that snap? Comes right out right after that. Once you popped it out, you're gonna need a tool like this, and actually to get this one out, you're gonna have to go through here. It's a lot easier to just pop it out. And here it is. This is the little one. Now let's compare this baby halogen with our upgrade. It's by AUXITO. Let's see what these little bad boys can do. So in order to put this back in, make sure you do the white part in, and it's white in there. Then you just snap it in. It should be real easy. Match the puzzle and make sure it goes in smoothly. You'll hear the snap and you just rotate left. All right, once you the shelf back in the light, go ahead and push back in here and you're ready to go. Hear the snap? That's it, you're done. And that's it. Now you know how to change the exterior lights on your 2018 Ford F-150. From headlights to taillights and everything in between, it's a quick upgrade that makes a huge difference on the road. For this installation, we used AUXITO LED lights because they're brighter, they last longer, and they're much more modern than your average bulbs out there. If you're ready to upgrade on your lights, click on the link in the description to find the lights for your vehicle. Thanks for watching.